In this video, I will be sharing with you how to enable two-factor authentication or two-step verification on your PayPal account. Now to achieve this, you need to go to paypal.com. As of doing this video, it is not possible to do from the mobile app, right? So once you're logged in, select Settings. On the Security tab, select Two-Step Verification. So here you can choose to use a Authenticator app. So you can download an Authenticator app like Google Authenticator, and then once you open the Authenticator, you can scan this QR code here. And then you enter the code shown in the mobile app. So from my mobile phone, I just scan the QR code. Then just hit confirm and select done. So I've successfully enabled two-factor authentication. And guys, if you wish to support my channel, you can use the Buy Me a Coffee link in the description of this video. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.